Yes, opo.
Oo.
Hindi ko narinig yung sarili ko.
Ang maingay actually
Ingay
dito.
drum. Now that I'm outside,
Mm.
now I understand na bakit sobrang daming nagsusupport sa UST Girls kasi they are also one incredible team.
Mm. I know that you had a little chat with Coach Kung Fu earlier, and isa pa yan naman ang the primary reason why the girls perform the way they. Hindi siya
Intense,
peaceful.
passionate.
Oo.
Very.
Yes. So he's very in touch with his emotions. And UE with a head start here. They lead by 1 to make that 2 points.
Lady Warriors and this dark tunnel of a season. Before the game started, Riza shared with me that as one of the seniors of her team, she was focused on building them back brick by brick, determined that even if they entered the season with some blows to their lineup, hindi dapat
Having
iparamdam.
to be perfect. But for Coach Kung Reyes, with her constant reminder that there's no such thing as perfect, only progress and effort, she's finally learned to breathe through the pressure and trust herself more. Mas mahaba yung pasensya namin sa isa't isa. And with this mindset, Cassie and the rest of the Tigresses are embracing the lessons as they come, turning every struggle into strengths. Watch this game on any device in the Philippines or abroad on the Filipinas Live app. Download and
Hirap yung gawin. And with that control. And si Cassie nga Carvalho, sabi ko, kababayan ko yan. Ilongga, taga Bacolod. Basta Ilongga, sagad, kagwapa, gitna niya
Naintindihan ko yun.
Oo.
Oo. Siyempre, maganda ka rin. Ayun.
Basta Ilongga na. Hello sa mga kababayan ko sa mga Ilongga.
Wow. Maayong,
Maayong hapon sa inyo tananda.
Really, the Lady Warriors have to remember when UST, they get going, they really get going. Eto na, nagsiservice ace na to si Reg Jurado.
Itong si Poise, I'm sure, daming options for her.
Another chance here for UST.
Oh, nice
That's
one.
it. Oh, pero buhay pa. How about that defense from UE?
Yes.
And again, these varied shots from Poyos. But the blocking will get the point for USD, and Abu has been on fire. So the first game between these two. Ayun, ace
Although sa basa ko rin, para siya mag-outside na. Then last, so communication din, importante.
And Cepeda sending it over, but the bantay na bantay. Si Ate Garlic Tigers. Cepeda, ayun, into the hands of the blockers again. So Kai has to really watch out for that. Oh, back row attack, Poyos. Angel Reyes said it's a sidelight, looking at all of the saves by Angelica Reyes. Cordora will go up. Also, a good block by Nogales. And now we know why she...
32 na bilang ko. And you know, kung siguro makipaglaro ako sa kanya, hindi ko nabibigay yung bola sa kanya. Kasi ganda ng timing, ganda ng blocking.
Kasi kung magra-rally sila, ang lakas ng UST with their blocking also.
And the attacking. Ayan,
and the
so
attacking.
exactly that.
Front coverage. Ito, grabe ang maturity niya. And even yung kwento sa ate ni Chelsea, just how she leads the team. And perfectionist, nakikita mo nga.
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one.
Great clean up. But Althea, pumasok din ng iba. Nice. Single block.
And...
The end. Yes.
Oo, Kyla Cordora is often compared to Angge Poyo. Nakikita mo nga na same approach and same leaping ability.
Yes.
Uy! Saradong-sarado ang blocking. And Akaya giving it to Banayan. Natulungan ng net. Alam mo, UE is getting a lot of breaks.
Yes, for UE.
He is out in full support.
I know.
Of
Nakakamiss yung cheer.
Oh.
I was doing it during the timeout. You know, very nostalgic.
Oo nga.
Dati, out na yun. Talo kayo. Wala na. Iyak ka na lang.
I wonder if all players appreciate the challenge
Oo
system.
naman.
Oo, no?
Super.
Wow!
Wow!
Buhay pa rin ang bola. And the UST is not exempt from these occasional mishaps, ano? Oo. Sabi mo nga, bilog ang bola. Talaga, sometimes these things you cannot predict.
Reyes, yan ang ating question. Wow!
Yes, Abu has been getting a lot of touches also. Now, Poyos will settle for the
Wow.
underhanded. Walang pinipiling set.
Rookie. Ano rin siya, in and out off the bench, usually for Coach Mendoza.
Another chance. That's what Angge Reyes will give you. Balik ang bola. Good rallies here. Italia looking for the middle there. Bagong pasok pa lang
Uy.
si Enriquez.
Nadapa siya.
Cepada, Doug. Poyos wants to put a stop to this rally. Pahaba na pahaba mga rally natin.
Yes. Since the start of the season, and she hasn't slowed down one bit. She's still on top of the digging department with an average of 4.4 digs per set.
Wow.
Binasa ko lang yung script, guys.
Pero good to know, ha?
Yes.
Ito na nga sabi
And I
natin.
can see her. I can
Ano?
see her. Tanong ko yan, ano kinakain niya eh. Pero, anong breakfast niya? Tinatanong ko.
And you know, if not
Wow.
because of her injury towards the latter part of
Yes.
86, baka ng rookie MVP pa to.
Oo. Hindi natin maano yung challenge eh. Challenge.
Ayun. Tapos na. First set goes to
Almost.
UST.
Set point naman kayo.
Siya uli, siya
One
uli.
more for E. UE.
Let's see where Carvalho takes this. Again to knock. Good defense again for UE. Kai Zapada will try to get another point. Pepito, almost, not quite. 3 points now for Kai Zapada.